My people, welcome to another episode of Pigeon Vibes Yanis. Today, my Yanis carrying me go the Nigeria versus Gabon World Cup qualifying match make we play for Morocco today. Of the truth, I dey proud of the boys based on the distraction for midweek. I don't really believe say the official turn up like that. I just feel say all those things based on as they not to train, all those wahala with their allowance and the rest. I just feel say go cause unnecessary distraction for camp. But I dey proud of their performance today, the ball. But I no go laugh after Osimhen miss that chance for regular time. I just say e be like say today no be our day. You know that kind of thing na make dey happen for football. See before you know na Gabon go score one last minute goal, all this kind of thing. Na wetin I just feel, but we come still turn everything around, come still win the match 4-1. Osimhen still show why he be one of our stars. But another person me wan really comment today na that our centre back Benjamin Frederick. Of the truth, I dey proud of that guy. I dey like when be say no be the usual names most times they turn up. New something, new stars go just the light of our eyes like this. They make me dey proud. Because of the truth, we get players around the world. Now just say me NFF put their ass together, do the right thing. But players boku to play for Nigeria, we no get issue when it comes to players. Normally, say we're not supposed to play this playoff of a team, but now so we just concerned. But I dey proud of the boys. So make we see how the Cameroon and the Congo match go be today, because now one of those two teams now we go play for the second round of the playoff on Sunday. Ovechucha, e no easy, so I dey proud of the boys. Another observation when I need to make na say I no know how we wanted do am. I don't know where we wan go find the person come, but you see that one Beliso, that guy need competition. As in no be just say any competition, better competition. I don't know where we wanted do am. The who dey in charge of scouting players or whatever, make dem go dey find goalkeeper now. Because no be the one believe wey me know na me dey see today, because whether na say na overconfidence or na arrogance we dey worry the guy, but we need to go find competition. We need to go find another goalkeeper. E just dey unfortunate say na playoff we dey play, so we no go fit really take risk now. If not, if we get friendly to play, abeg make dem first put one goalkeeper, make dem play the friendly first. Make we see another thing, because I no understand wetin that guy dey do. My people, make una no forget to follow our website to www.pidginvibes.ng, and there all our ogbonge news dey drop. Our social media handles na Pidgin Vibes, so we dey everywhere. TikTok, na Facebook, na Trend, na Instagram, we dey there for you. Na Twitter, when they call us now, we dey there. My people, una do.